Hi, this is Miss Kula here. I know I've been emailing with a lot of you, but just wanted to make a video to touch base on a couple things. Mainly just want to talk about science fair. I know I posted some things on the website and there's been lots of questions, so I just wanted to make a video to clarify some things, and I will be posting more information on the website. So first of all, yes, the science fair itself has been canceled, but no, the science fair project has not. So you are still required to complete your science fair project. And that is still worth 14% of your entire grade. So you still need to finish your experiment and do your write-up. In terms of requirement, you still need to submit a logbook. Obviously, you can't give me the actual binder, but you will have to email me your formal write-up, your log, the actual journal parts, and your research paper with your works cited. So most of that should have been done already because we were close to the actual presentation. So instead of giving me the actual binder, you will have to email me those three parts: the formal write-up, the log entries, and the research paper. Backboard. Yes, obviously, if you already have your backboard, we would like you to still complete it and make it. But if you have not, please do not go out and buy one. That is a non-essential item. And at this point, we don't want you to leaving the house for non-essential items. So if you don't have one, please do not go out and buy one. But if you already have one, then by all means, please go ahead and complete it. And I'll talk about the backboard visual in just a little bit. Presentations, you will still be presenting. You will be presenting through Zoom conferences. How it will work is I've divided the class up into groups of 4. So if you check the schedule that I've posted, the presentations will start on Monday, April 27th, and they'll take place on the 27th, 28th, 29th, 30th. So we can get the entire class presentations in those 4 days. The way that Zoom works, so there's only a 40-minute limit, so we can only have 4 groups present per day. And also the way it works, we can't have the whole class log in. So you can only log in on the day that I've scheduled you for. Just that's the way it will work with the Zoom. So check the schedule. So on the date that's listed, you need to log in, be ready to present on that day. And if you're not, and then listening to the other group. So you'll still at least get to present to me and a few other students through Zoom. Again, check the website so you know exactly which date you are required to log in and present. During the presentation, you do need to have a visual. So if you have your backboard already, then you need to complete it and use it as your visual aid. But if you didn't get a chance to buy one before all this happened, then some options are to make a PowerPoint or a Prezi to go with it, or just even make a poster with what you have at home. But you are required to have some kind of visual to go with your presentation, just like you would have if you presented in class. And then obviously the rubric will have to be adjusted. That will be posted by the end of this week. So I'll give you an updated rubric of how you will get your mark. But the main things I just want to talk about that, yes, you need to complete it. You still will be presenting. If you don't have a backboard, you could need some kind of visual aid in place of that. If you have any questions, keep emailing me. Thank you to those of you that have been in touch and emailing me. And check the website for more information. And you've been doing your homework. Just want to introduce my friend, the deer. Yes, in the PowerPoint, I actually did hit a deer. I did ride off my car and, rode off the deer. But it tied in perfectly, unfortunately, to the unit we've been learning about with kinetic energy and collisions. So this is memory to drive safe, know about your braking distance, reaction time, drive to the road conditions. Have a good night, and if you have any questions, keep emailing me and check the website. Don't forget, you do have a Kahoot that opens tomorrow at 8 a.m. and closes at 3 p.m. on Thursday. So good luck.